I was using LinkedIn today in the morning and found out something interesting. Right? LinkedIn has come up with a new feature which can help you in reaching out maybe 5 times more professional without spending in a single money on advertisement. Right? Congrats to actually LinkedIn. They are listening to their users. They are watching what is happening in the market. They know that the young professionals are using social media platforms a lot. And why only the young professional? Everyone is using, right? And there are two social media platforms which are becoming very famous: Instagram and the YouTube, right? And both of them have a one common feature, which was missing in the LinkedIn, right? That feature is called as a collaborator, right? So if you go to Instagram, the the audience are not creating post or reel as an individual; they are collaborating. Same is happening on the YouTube also. So they have a feature called as a collaborator, which was missing in the LinkedIn. So LinkedIn has come up with a new feature called as a collaborator, right? You can collaborate with up to 5 people or pages, and your post will be visible on their profile. If you are working as a Scrum Master, Agile Coach, Product Owner, or any professional, right? And you want to build in a community, or you may have developed something within a group of people, right? This feature is really helpful to you. What I will do is I will walk you through how to use that. Right? Let me share my screen. So if you look at it, when you click on start a post, there is an option add collaborator. Right? While you are posting, right, you can have an option to add the collaborator. And on the collaborator, you can add up to 5 connections or pages. Right? I actually just posted one with the 5 pages, so I don't want to do it again. But what I can do is let's go to the details, right? What it is, and there are some basic consideration in the notes. So the first thing it says that you can invite only up to 5 collaborators per post, right? Only the person who created the post can edit or manage the collaborators, right? It is not like that passing on the permission to a collaborator and they can also keep adding more. Collaborators can remove themselves from the post at any time, and before they remove, they have to accept also. So once you add someone as a collaborator, it goes to their feed and they have to accept it. Right? But by the way, just one thing, this feature may is rolling out to maybe in a selected audience, right? And they are just testing it. So it may or may not be available to you as of now. So just be patient in case if it is not, it will come soon. Right? So and the ability to collaborate with the member depends on the collaboration settings. So if you go to your privacy settings in the privacy, there is an option whether you want to allow yourself to be added as a collaborator. Only then someone will be able to add you. Right? Obviously, collaborative posts must be public. They cannot be private. Right? And there are few more things. The person who created the post is responsible for following LinkedIn. Obviously, the person who is creating, he or she is the author. So the person has to make sure that the LinkedIn content policies are being followed. Right? In case if you have added a page admin or page as in a collaborator, then the page admin are going to accept that on behalf of the page. Right? So those are the few things which may help you. Right? So I would suggest go and give it a try. I just added in a post, right? And I know it may not be the feature may have some issues also because I am facing an issue with it. Let me show what I added. So I added in this post. Where is it? Yes, here is it. I added this post and I have added 5 collaborators to it. I can see that as in a page admin, I can see the collaborator. For example, Sanjay Sani has invited Scrum Day India to appear as a collaborator on a post. When I'm going to it, right, there is an option. Do you want to accept as a collaborator. When I am clicking on the accept button, and here you go, you have been added to the post. So now my post will have my name as well as the page name. Right? So go and give it a try, build a community, right? Increase your postage. Right? And this is really interesting. So thanks to LinkedIn for launching this feature. I hope this was helpful, right? And in case if you found out some value out of it, just like the video and subscribe to our channel. Right? With this, let me stop sharing, right? So give it a try, right? It is worth, right? And this may help you in increasing your reach on LinkedIn. Enjoy.